If you've ever hovered over fonts, colors, or styles in Microsoft Word and noticed the preview changing instantly before you click, that feature is called Live Preview. It can be helpful for some people, but if you find it distracting, slow, or just want a cleaner workflow, you can turn it off in just a few seconds. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to disable live preview in Word step by step. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word is open, look to the top left corner of the screen and click File. This opens the Backstage menu where you can access Word's main settings and preferences. From there, go down and click Options. This will open the Word Options window, which is where you can control a lot of Word's behavior and interface settings. In the Word Options window, make sure you're on the General tab. If it isn't already selected, click General from the list on the left side. Now scroll through the settings until you find the User Interface Options section. Inside this section, you'll see a checkbox labeled Enable Live Preview. By default, this option is usually turned on, which is why Word shows you a live preview when you hover over formatting choices. To disable it, simply click the checkbox to uncheck it. Once that box is cleared, live preview will be turned off. After that, click OK at the bottom of the window to save your changes and close the settings menu. Now return to your document and test it by hovering over a font, style, or color option. You should notice that Word no longer shows instant previews as you move your mouse over different choices. And that's it. You've successfully disabled Live Preview in Word. This is a great setting to change if you want a more focused editing experience or if Word's hover previews feel too distracting while you work. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick Microsoft Word tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.